308 Strawberry Spring. We have a couple of houses in this community. It's been good for us so far. There does need to be a cleanup back here. And touch up probably this front door here. One, two, three. Three windows that I see so far that need 2.5-inch faux wood blinds that we use. For 5 windows. Bar goes all the way across. There's no light in here in this bathroom. It's not working, I mean. Nice and bright garage. 6. That's a pretty big water heater, especially for this home. So make sure all those light bulbs match. And need a shower rod. This is 2 pieces, so we just need some caulking there, but the rest doesn't need it, which is great. This carpet's looking a little worn, but it might be okay after a good cleaning. That's a Jenny call. I believe we were at 6 windows, so I believe this would be 7, 8, 9, 10. Upgraded light fixture. The paint's looking a little rough here. The toilet looks nice. Need a shower rod here too. I think the house needs a repaint. 1, 2. Three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 windows upstairs. We'll see what Jenny says about these, because you do look directly across into a neighbor's house, even though they do have their blinds. 7, 8, 9, plus verticals. 10, 11, 12. Okay, I believe there are 12 windows.